Hello everyone, welcome to the session, Interoperability of Future OR, Precision Surgery and Imaging Management. To begin with, I would like to introduce the speakers today, Elma, YH, and Jasmine. Medical imaging is traditionally considered as auxiliary information. However, with the growth trend of minimally invasive surgery, medical imaging becomes the second pair of eyes in the advanced OR. Therefore, a surgical display that ensures precise medical imaging plays a more significant role. The surgery is patient-centered. To cope with different situations in the OR, the image streaming technique and the relevant equipment have to meet the needs of many types of operations. Surgical displays are the most direct sources for the surgeon to seize information. Could you help to describe surgeon behavior and tell us the key points of a good surgical display, Elma?
Thank you, Yoren. Before we talk about how PACS 3 series fits surgeons using behavior in OR, I would like to talk about how display plays an important role in minimally invasive surgery. As you may know, the demand for minimally invasive surgery has been growing as it allows doctors to perform complicated operations with smaller size of incision. In general, minimally invasive surgery is associated with less chance of infection and bleeding, and also fewer complications after surgery. It can be a safer, more feasible, and more patient-friendly method when performing an operation. The small incision is achieved using specialized instruments like image-guided navigation system or robotic system. When surgeons perform minimally invasive surgery, images on the LCD display bring the real-time information about the surgical path, surgical precision, and patient status through the camera or AR technique. So, the image quality of display, including high resolution, precise color, and high stability, will be quite crucial. Here, we present the PACS 3 series main feature. To ensure the accuracy of image, it conforms to DICOM Part 14 standard and support 14-bit lookup table processing grayscale. Other than that, the possibility to customize display for surgeons' perception preference will be also an important option when it comes to surgical display. PACS offers different display modes and multi-view modes such as 1P, 2P, 4P, and picture-in-picture. In some scenarios, the operation room is equipped with both traditional medical equipment and the latest advanced devices. Therefore, it would be really helpful if the display has a variety of video connector types and has the ability to support a variety of video formats. Both PACS UHD and Full HD models are equipped with a variety of analog and digital interfaces, so it can receive diverse image sources. Last but not least, simultaneous display of both color and monochrome images on the same screen without sacrificing image quality can be achieved in PACS 3 series. Overall, it's a robust surgical monitor that ensures the overall image quality and is flexible enough to adapt to users' needs.
As Elma mentioned, new operating technology can provide a safer and more patient-friendly option. To well perform these new techniques, a sound surgical video solution is crucial. YH will provide deeper insight about digital transformation in the OR.
Thanks. I believe most of you are from medical-related industries. Our work is not only save lives, but also try to create as much more profit and efficiency for hospital as possible. Improve work efficiency and procedure accuracy is a challenge because the operation room we have is a very complex environment. and it's full of various systems and equipment, which can lead to cable complexity. For example, traditional medical systems require a lot of cables to connect endoscope, camera, navigation, and so on. This is the whole architecture of AVAS application. You can see AVAS connects a lot of equipment in different rooms. Maintenance downtime and software technical setting will also slow down your workflow. It's wasting your time and resources. In order to manage your operating room and face challenges in the future, we need a solution that can integrate all equipment in OR. Because integration can save time and money, more efficient procedures, and increase hospital income. These are the reasons why we developed AVAS. By using a central IP hub to integrate cameras, lighting, monitors, scanners, and image viewing devices. Since all IP-based devices use the same type of cable, you can plug and play easily. We can set up an operating room quickly with one cable, a cable that includes image, audio, and control command. AVAS extracts information from anywhere and shares it with people who need it via the network, whether it's inside a hospital or outside a facility. Your colleagues will be able to observe the operation from our operating theater, which means that more doctors can follow the same procedure to obtain better clinical results. The whole system can be managed remotely. In another word, IT staff can maintain and upgrade without entering OR. These are the main features of AVAS. The number one is zero latency. AVAS uses uncompressed video over IP technology to ensuring the real-time communication between different areas. In surgical procedure, more and more applications need to watch monitor to surgery. So, the zero latency transmission without video distortion is very important. And the number two is multi-view. AVAS can support single view, side-by-side, picture-in-picture, and core view. You can integrate different medical video streams on a single monitor easily. And the number three is 4K end-to-end display. AVAS support resolution up to 4K P60 that can meet needs of medical image on the market. And the number four is seamless switching. That means not only the video streaming is zero latency, but also the switching of different images and the layout are all seamless. The number five is Advantech provides free SDK and API for you to develop your own software. And last one is all AVAS devices have medical grade certification. So, with AVAS system solution, you can easily access PaaS DICOM server in different operating room, meeting room, or consulting room to achieve the application you would like to have in real time or for educational studies. Okay, let's take a look at the sharing from surgeons.
它是整合在一起，所以在我们术中的时候呢，就可以减少我们同仁在跑动，在我们手术室里面的移动。那当然最重要是我们在术中的时候，医生在看，可以这样子增加手术的成功率，可以减少一些失误。
在界面的部分，它可以直接使用拖拉式的方式，就是很直觉性的，我们可以去决定说，我们想要怎样的一个画面的呈现方式来帮助我们在手术中的进行。那同时，它在讯号源的部分，我们可以直接知道说，我们接了之后，这个讯号是否真的能够被我们接收到，也让我们的护理人员比较不会说，出现 error， 医生突然要影像的时候，你讯号转换过去它是不能用那个讯号的。我觉得这是它一个最棒的地方。
In order to achieve above results, the hardware requires stability and the software need to be user-friendly. Hardware and software integration are indispensable. We will talk more in the next session. Okay, we are happy to invite Paco from IISI to talk about the surgical software design and the corresponding user behavior in the OR. Hi Paco, it's your turn.
Thank you, YH. I'm glad to have this chance to share. As YH mentioned, stable software and user-friendly interface are very important for medical staff to control, record, and edit medical image before, during, and after a surgery. Let's see how does it work.
In the beginning, you can see the login page. Okay, let's log in. We can see that the patient data is automatically displayed on the bar. The function makes the medical staff easily check whether the information is correct. If the system is not connected to HIS system, it also supports manual input. After checking the information, we can see three main functions on top of the screen: image dispatch, camera control, and setting. In the image dispatch workspace, we can match the medical image and the display in the OR. It mainly contains three parts: source, monitor, and recorder. First, we can see the menu on the left-hand side. The menu bar is helping us to execute more detailed functions. Then I'm going to click the layout on the right-hand side. We can scroll it and see there are a lot of different formats to be chosen. I'm going to choose this format and click Monitor 5. Both colors are changed. This means that we have successfully chosen the format into the assigned monitor. Now we are going to select the image source we needed. The Monitor 5 is displaying the image we selected. Okay, then we are moving to the record area. The image on each monitor in this recorded area can be recorded separately. We can repeat the step we just did to execute the record functions. For example, if we click the monitor AVAS 60 White, 4 boxes will pop up, so we can start to record the video. Mark the important part of the video, take a screenshot, and transfer to the full screen view. Now we are going to take a look at camera controller functions. On the left-hand side, we can see the imaging source from different cameras. Let's choose camera 1. Same as before, the color is changed. This means that we have successfully chosen the camera we want to control. And now we can zoom in, zoom out, focus the important region.
We have gone through the video streaming and recording function. How about another crucial part, report out? Let's dive into it.
The report out system is separate from the recording system. As what we did, I'm going to log in first. After logged in, we can see a list of video and image. Those video and image recorded during surgery can be organized and edited here. We can select the video for the top bar. For example, we select the date and the time first. And selecting the video by clicking the checkbox. Then click Edit. The editing list is on the left-hand side, and the right-hand side screen is the region of editing video, and the design enables us to edit several video and image at the same time. We can also choose the time slot and click the cutoff button to extract the video style we need. Now we can upload the video to the PAS server or DCOM server. Okay, done.
We believe the solution can streamline the workflow during a surgery and help the medical staff easily to organize the patient's information. Thank you for your time.
It's amazing, Paco. Thank you for sharing the information with us. I believe many medical professionals must be very excited to apply the AVAS solution that is co-created by IISI and Advantech. Speaking of video technology, we cannot have a whole picture without mentioning Advantech's video solution. Jasmine, could you introduce the video technology in the medical field?
I'm going to introduce video solution technology in medical field. It is human vision limitation that we can't see in volumes.
even we can't perceive variations in volumes of any image or images. Digital image processing is helping physicians or doctors to make quick and accurate diagnosis inside the hospital like operating rooms. Video solutions provide image capturing, video recording during surgery, allow the information to be transmitted to data center for future use. Outside the hospital, for example, it helps to access the injured by streaming emergent data to all responsible parties, which allows decision makers to act faster and make arrangements. As a professional video processing solution provider, Advantech keen to develop high-performance, low-latency video capturing, encoding, decoding, recording, even real-time streaming for medical video imaging. Here, I'm going to share with you what video solution can benefit medical application. Firstly, AV over IP. Advantech has been developing audio-video over Internet protocol technology for years. We can help customers to deliver high-quality, low-latency live content securely between different geographical locations. For example, applications like remote surgical collaboration. The most obvious choice is fiber-based video management system. IP environments combine video, audio, and ancillary data such as subtitles, closed captions, and timecode, into a single network data flow or pipe. This results in a significant reduction in interconnection complexity. We can provide not only standard-based AV over IP like ST2110, but also proprietary AV over IP like SDVoE. In a system like this, there is a possibility to stream, record, and review live feed from the surgery, even connect a remote medical team for on-scene collaboration. So after knowing what Advantech video solution can do for medical application, let's take a look at future plans for Advantech technique in terms of AV over IP, recording, and streaming. Left part is current technology, while the right side is future technique. In the past, we used AV switch or splitter to transmit data in the building. Nowadays, SDVoE has taken place of it, as it has microsecond level latency and 4K P30 video uncompressed quality, which is widespread adopted in the States and Europe. ST2110 is adopted by DICOM, and DICOM is PAS standard. So in 3 years, more and more products will be included this feature. Recording codec will be transferring from H.264 to H.265. As image resolution is higher, H.265 is an advanced video compression standard capable of amazing visual quality with 50% bitrate savings. It will maintain the high quality video, but at a smaller file size. Streaming as a video distribution tool, the codec is transforming from H.264 to VP9, as this codec is commonly used on YouTube, Facebook due to its private channel. The Ethernet bandwidth could reduce 25%, but keep the same quality as H.64. Also, the license is free. Advantech already developed above future technique to enhance our product capability. With the help of Advantech video solutions, medical events can be streamed to viewers with high-quality image anywhere, anytime. Patients' data can be forwarded from remote rooms to a central nurse station without degradation.
Thank you for your sharing, Jasmine. From surgical display, integrated surgical video solution, to AV over IP technology, we gained a lot today. Now, let's move our focus to how these new technologies brings benefit and convenience to reality.
Hi, Welcome to the demo room in Advantech Lincoln campus. Let's go through how we adopt video archiving and streaming solutions in operating rooms. As we know, there are many displays and diverse medical images from different sources to support the surgeons to make decisions. Applying AVAS solution, the medical staff can easily and quickly manage these images. I'm going to show how does AVAS work and streamline the OR workflow. The software you see now is co-created by Advantech and Interoperability. Interoperability is one of the Advantech's important partners. From the top, you can easily see all of the video sources. For example, now we have 4 different images. This image is from the camera on the arm. Normally, in the operating room, this kind of camera focuses on the surgical region. And you can also see the CT image and the vital sign image, which means that the AVAS system is able to connect to PAS server or DICOM server. From the second row, we can choose the display we want to show the selected image. And the last row, we can choose the layout format. Let me show you how to operate now. For example, I chose the display on the wall and then choose different source. You can see the changes on display at the same time. One more time, I chose the different layout, then the display changes. See, we made it.
Wow, can't wait to upgrade the traditional OR to interoperable one. Lastly, thank you for your time to join this session. We hope you enjoyed the content. Welcome to send your questions via the conference platform. Stay safe, stay healthy.